Okay, so the blimp provides aerial television views of a football game, um, and this blimp is floating. If they were looking down from the television camera to the stadium, you can see that it forms a 7-degree angle of depression, which, following the alternate interior angles, will land down here at the bottom as a 7-degree angle as well. And let me change the color so it maybe pops out a little bit more. 7 degrees. Okay, that's great. And now it's inside the triangle, and it makes it a little bit more just like a regular trig problem that you could solve. What is the line of sight distance from the television camera to the base of the stadium? So what they're asking for is, what is this in x meters to the nearest 100 meters? Okay, so now that we've got this, we're saying, okay, from down here, if we're now essentially dealing with this triangle, now that we've got that 7-degree angle put inside the triangle, um, what do we got in terms of the relationship between the angle and the side? So we've got the opposite side, which is 400, and we're looking for the hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So how do you write that? You would say the sine of 7 degrees equals opposite, 400, over hypotenuse, x. And remember our hack, we can swap these and we can get an equivalent expression of x equals 400 divided by the sine of 7 degrees. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to say x is approximately equal to, now I'm just going to type on my calculator, 400 divided by the sine of 7, and we get, and I'm just going to write the number that I get here first, and then we will round it off. I get 3282.2. That's an approximation, but it's way more detailed than we need it to be. We wanted to round it off to this place, the hundreds of meters. So we look here, is that 5 or higher? It is. So we say x is approximately equal to, since that 8 is 5 or higher, the 2 becomes a 3, and we got 3,300 with the units meters. Done.